Hello student, welcome to the KTHM e-learning portal. I am Pratik Shinde, working as assistant professor in Department of Zoology, KTHM College, Nasik. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the subject Applied Zoology second, and we are going to cover the topic Life Cycle of Honeybee. The way of human being undergo different life stages, comprising of infant, children, young, and adult. Each bee caste goes through 4 different stages via egg, larva, pupa, and adult. But the time need to complete each stages differs. In this lecture, we are going to discuss these 4 different life stages of honeybee. See one by one. After that, first we see the copulation seen in honeybee, and this copulation called as nuptial flight. Nuptial flight is a wedding flight of virgin queen along with the drones and workers, during which the queen mates with drones. The new virgin queen chooses a good bright day or a sunny day with no thunderstorm, lightning, fog, cloud, wind and rain. She flies out go together with the most of the drones. The excited worker follow the queen. She fly very high and there one of the many drones succeed in mating with her. The successful drone die at its male organ is broken and stick into the vital organ of the queen. One of the worker would help remove the broken male organ from the queen body, and it's quickly thrown away. She take a number of such flight over the period of 2 to 3 days, and many mate with the 10 or more different drones. The sperm is stored in a special organ called spermatheca, and the queen never met again after this period. The queen may live up to 6 to 7 years, during which the time she is capable for laying 1 million eggs. Then the second is egg laying. The egg development starts in the ovaries soon after the queen mate. About 5 days after taking her mating flight, the queen being to lay. She locates an empty cell of the correct size, either a worker cell or a drone cell, depending upon what she need to lay. She inserts her head into the cell to make sure it is empty and clean. Then she inserts her abdomen and lay a single egg at the base of the cell. Then we start the actual life cycle of honeybee. The honeybee having a complete metamorphosis means the complete life cycle having a distinct phases: egg, larva, pupa and adult. See in this picture the queen laying an egg into the cell, and this egg hatch out into the larva. The larva called as grub, and these larvae molt. After that, the resting phase of larva undergo pupation. As the pupation period complete, then the adult will emerge. These all the stages we see one by one. First is egg of honeybee. The egg are pinkish white color, elongated, cylindrical, slightly curved and generally attached at the bottom of the cell at the junction of any two walls. The egg of honeybee are centrolethal type. The egg stage last for 3 days. After the 3 days, the egg will hatch out. Into white legless grub will emerge. Larvae emerge from fertile as well as unfertile egg. Queen bee lay both fertile and unfertile eggs. The fertile egg give rise to the female, that is the worker and queen bee, and unfertile egg giving rise to male, that is drone. The larvae are provided with the appropriate food and inspected for their demand by nurse bee. Already we see the queen bee laying two type of eggs, unfertilized egg and fertilized egg. From the unfertilized egg, drone will develop, and from the fertilized egg, the queen and worker will develop. What is the difference between these queen and worker? Is the difference is after the few days, the queen larva feed a royal jelly, and after the few days, the worker larva feeds pollen and honey, called as bee bread. The drones are haploid in number, that is, they having n number of chromosomes, and the fertilized egg having 2n number of chromosomes, having diploid number of chromosomes. Then our second stage is larva, or called as grub of honeybee. They are minute white apodous. Apodous means legless. Hatch from egg after 3 days. Larvae of all the caste molt 4 times. All the larvae are fed with protein and vitamin rich royal jelly secreted by hypopharyngeal gland of worker bees or the nurse bees for the first 3 days. After 3 days, worker and drone bee larvae are fed on mixture of honey and pollen called bee bread. The queen grub receive the royal jelly throughout their life in abundant quantity. The average larval period is 5 days for queen and 6 days for worker and the 7 days for drones. The queen and drone grubs are larger in size. See here, this is a larva and this white substance called as royal jelly. After the 3 days, these larvae feeds on royal jelly. The larva is converted into queen, and after the 3 days, the larva feeds on pollen and honey called as bee bread, and the larva is converted into worker. And when this larva is from unfertilized egg, this larva converted into drone. After the resting phase of larva or non-feeding phase of larva, seal this cell like this, and the larva goes under the pupation, and this sealing is called as capping. Then the third step is pupa of honeybee. The pupal stage is an dormant stage. Resting stage pupa undergo metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means the drastic change seen in larva. The larva is converted into an adult. After 5 to 7 days, worker bees seal the cell with a porous beeswax cap, and the larva spin a cocoon around itself, and the grub undergo pupation. The developing bee remains inside the cocoon without eating or moving. The pupal stage lasts for 7 to 8 days for a queen, 11 to 12 days for worker and 14 days for the drone. Worker cells are normal hexagonal and the drone cells are larger in size. During this stage, the internal organ and body appendages develop. Finally, the adult bee emerges on the completion of pupal stage. Here, this is the organs seen in pupa. Different appendages seen in pupa. This is an pupal stage of honeybee. Then the fourth one is adult stage of honeybee. The adult worker and drone emerge from the cocoon and bite a hole into the top of the sealed cell to come out. Immediately after emerging, the adult workers are light in color and then become darker. The total time take to develop from egg to adult is 15 to 16 days for queen, 20 to 21 days for worker and about 24 days for drone. Here, this is an adult of honeybee. Here, this is an worker bee, this is an queen bee, and this is an drone bee. Drone bee produce from unfertilized egg. First 3 days, the drone bee feeds on royal jelly. After that, the drone bee feeds on bee bread, that is pollen and honey. The queen bee emerges from fertilized egg. First 3 days, the queen larva feeds on royal jelly. After that, she continuously feeds on royal jelly for her life. And then worker bee, the larva of worker bee feeds on royal jelly for first 3 days. After the 3 days, she feeds on bee bread, that is honey and pollen. This is an 3 adult of honeybee. This is a summary of life cycle of honeybee. See in a table duration of life stages of different caste of honeybee with two species Apis cerana and Apis mellifera. And in a second diagram, see the development period in days and the development stages of different caste of honeybee Apis mellifera. Thank you.